I'm going to show you how to easily list your items on Facebook Marketplace. All you need is the photo. You select your photos and you see this checkbox here. This is, make sure this is checked. It'll auto create your title, your price. This time it didn't create the price, but it'll do the description. You have to put your location on to choose your location, which I'm not going to do because I don't want you to see. Usually the price will be filled. If not, fill in the price. But it does a fantastic job at listing the description, the title, and usually the price is correct. If it's not, I'll just go find the price and do it manually. But you also put up to auto reply to availability messages, so you can customize it here. I still have the kit. I'll say where the pickup's going to be in case they don't want to drive to the city I'm in, and then I'll say cash only if I only accept cash, or if you accept other payment methods. They have more listing options here. It didn't get the category right, but it, like 90% of the time it does. This is just a weird item. If you want to find out how I'm getting free items to sell on Facebook Marketplace, just like and subscribe to my YouTube, and I will be releasing more content on how to do that.